Alright, look, you guys gotta do this. It like skips all menus and everything. You guys gotta make use of the cards down here. Like you can just resume straight back into the game. So yeah, let's do it. Play. And this is like cold boot, like there's no quick resume, or it's not a rest. Look, just like that, I'm into the game. It skipped all menus and everything. Shit, let's even try it with Astrobot. Sure, let's go to the spring spa. Let's just see how it goes. You guys just gotta make use of this because it's great. You gotta use the activity cards. Look, and just like that, I just switched into a different game all under a minute. You guys gotta make use of that, of the activity cards. And the way that you do that is you go to the game that you want to play and scroll down and you hit resume and continue. Let's go back to Spider-Man, play. Takes about, I don't know, 7-8 seconds. It's great because it skips like the main menu too. Just like that, I'm back in. No issue whatsoever. You guys gotta use the activity cards. Once again, the way you do that is you go down and just choose where you want to go back in. Also, I love the activity hint.